Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Before we talk about chemical control, there are several ways that can be useful to reduce the population and damage caused by diamondback moth. Firstly, intercropping is good for reducing diamondback moths because they are picky that only feed on cruciferous crops and plants that produce glucosinolates. So intercropping with two or more than two kinds of crops in the same field can reduce fertilization or pesticide use, making planting the most profitable and producing higher quality cabbage with higher yield. Secondly, planting time can be considered because diamondback moth population is affected by seasonal factors. For example, during wet condition, the infection rate of the diamondback moth is very low, so growing cruciferous crops during wet seasons can effectively reduce pesticide use. Third, crop rotation is useful. Cruciferous vegetables can be rotated with melon, fruits, onions, and garlic, resulting in a break in the food chain of the diamondback moth generations. Fourth, rainfall has been identified as a major mortality factor for young larvae. So it is not surprising that cruciferous crops with overhead sprinkler irrigation tend to have fewer diamondback moth larvae than drip or furrow irrigated crops. Best results were obtained with daily evening applications. In addition, maintaining clean cabbage field hygiene is a simple but important pest control method. A clean growing environment can greatly reduce the likelihood of infection. For example, before farming, the soil can be plowed and exposed to the sun, so last for at least a week. This helps to clear the diamondback moth and strengthen the quality of the soil.